I'm excited. 5 income streams with multiple income funnel. Watch the video right to the end and I'll show you all the 5 income streams. So let's get started here. First of all, we start here. And just goes to show you all the links. A link is attached to a capture page. I don't know why they call them links, but they're attached to a capture page. And you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go in here and you see all the training you get with this system. First of all, you get your weekly training. Then you get market system training, which is really something. I mean, look at all the help you get with to become a better marketer. Just watch these videos here. You don't have to do them all at once. You can do 1 or 2, whatever you want. Whenever you get time, come back and do another one. And then you go back, exit the training again. And then you see the 7-step training. Now this one here you should do before you get started. First of all, it says work on yourself. That means work on your personality. Then lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. You don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then when you get in there, there's some more bonuses in there you can take a look at. And you go back into the system again. And that shows you all your teams. And here it shows you all your leads. Once you start advertising, look at all the leads you get. And you get a lead with each email with each lead. So be sure to follow up. If you want to work with them, they want to hear from you. The company follows up, but if you want to work with them, they want to hear from you. So be sure to follow up. Otherwise, they probably won't join you. Then you go into the resources, and it shows you all the resources you get. First of all, here's sample emails you can use to follow up. You can use these or you can use your own, but you should definitely follow up. Then you go back into there and it shows you all the banners you get that you can use for your advertising. Look at all the banners you can use to help you with your advertising. Then you go back in there again and it shows you all your social media images you can use for your social imaging marketing. Then you go back in there again, and it shows you how to do your Facebook ads, and where and traffic, where and how to get traffic. And I also got a bonus income stream here. I'll show you later. Okay, now let's say you like all these things and you'd like to get started with this. First of all, you go in here and you go to step 1. I'm going to put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do the presentation. And with that same link, you can join. So after you watch him do the presentation, you'll see what a great opportunity is. Be sure to join because you're definitely going to get a benefit out of it. Then you go to step 2 and step 3. These you can put your own opportunities in there if you have any. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I'm using. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. Then you go to the back office, which is your back office plus also Traffic Authority, where they've been in business for over 10 years, so you get great leads there. And Multiple Income Funnel has been in business for over 4 years, so they're both legit opportunities that you can get. Okay, now let's say you want to get started after you hear all that. Okay, I showed you how to do that. I showed you how to do that. Okay. It's silly here today. So you go there and you get all that. And you go. Oh, and I forgot to show you my bonus income, which I always forget to do. And my bonus income is and I call this my number 5 income stream. You get for $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month for that $1 a day. Plus you make a little commission. So be sure to check that out once you get in here. Okay, now getting started. And I'm going to put my link under the video. So you a link under the video to watch the thing, and also my contact information so you can contact me to ask me some more questions. And I hope you guys are having great weather, because that's, like I said in the last video, you were having great weather this year, so I sure hope you are too. And be sure to give my video a like and join my screen. And that's all I'm going to say for today, so we'll talk to you next week. So bye for now. Thanks for listening.